I made $4,000 in the last 7 days with affiliate marketing, and if you watch this video to the end, I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways that you can replicate this using simple sports clips. I'm going to show you exactly where you're going to get these clips and how you can use these clips to make money with affiliate marketing. This is a super simple strategy that anyone can do. You never need to show your face on camera, you don't need a following or a website, and the only thing that it involves is copying this simple link and then pasting it on a platform that gets millions of views. And I'm going to walk you through the entire process and show you how to do this step by step, so let's get into it. So for step one, the first thing that you need to do is to find an affiliate marketing product. So you just want to go to clickbank.com, create a free account, and log in. Then you just want to go to the marketplace. And here on the left, you have a list of categories. These are basically just different affiliate marketing products that you can promote. But for the purpose of this video, just scroll all the way down to the bottom and select sports. Sports is huge. You got a really big audience, which is why you can get a lot of free traffic and make a lot of money with affiliate marketing. Then sort your results by rank, high to low. That way ClickBank is going to suggest the highest converting products right here at the top. So this is the best performing product in the sports category, which is vertical jump training. And I'm going to show you how to get a lot of views to this product for absolutely free. And for every sale that you make, you'll earn $40.80 on average. So if we just click this link and open this up, we'll see what the landing page is going to look like, and this is what people are going to see when they click your affiliate link. And we're going to use some of these videos to promote this product. You also want to go back to the marketplace and open the affiliate page. Then scroll all the way down and click here to view our affiliate resources. This is where you can find a lot of resources that you can also use to promote the offer. Now that you've got your affiliate product and you know what your landing page looks like, and you've seen the affiliate resources page for more tools that you can use as an affiliate, it's time for step two, which is to find the videos that we can use to promote the product. And there's 3 ways that you can do this. The first way is going to be with Instagram, and on Instagram, you could actually search VertShock, the actual product. And you can just scroll through here and find videos and testimonials and things that you can use to promote it. And you would just download these videos and add a call to action that's going to lead to our offer, and I'm going to show you that in just a bit. The second way is going to be with TikTok. You just want to go into the search bar and enter basketball dunks. And as you can see, you got a lot of videos to choose from, but let's just say you want to use this one for an example. You would just click on it and then you would just copy the link. If you don't see this link here, just hover over this little share icon and you will have the option to copy link here. So you just want to copy link. Then you would go to snaptic.app, paste that link here, click download. And as you can see, this is our video here, and you would just download it to your computer. The third way is going to go back to the landing page, and we can use some of these videos. To do that, we need to go back to the affiliate page. Then we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and go back to affiliate resources. Then we're going to scroll all the way down and click contact. You'll see it's just going to open up our email. And what you want to do is ask them to send you the videos here on the landing page. That's what I did. I just told them that I wanted to use the videos to promote the product on other social platforms, and they sent me the videos right away. These are really good to use because they show testimonials and results, and a lot of people that watch these types of videos want to learn how to dunk. Another way that you can do it is to just copy this title here. Then we're going to go over to YouTube, paste that in, and enter. And you will see that this is the video here, and there's also other videos from VertShock if you wanted to look through them, but just make sure you choose the ones from VertShock. But I'm just going to scroll back up to that video and click on it. And the only thing that you need to do is go up to the top and copy this link. Next, you want to go to 4kdownload.com. Hover over products and download the 4K downloader. It's absolutely free. Then you want to open up the app, paste the link in, and download. And once you've downloaded the video onto your computer, it's time for step 3, which is to add the call to action. So when we upload our videos, we can promote this product for absolutely free. And to do that, we're going to use Canva. So just go to canva.com and we'll be creating short form videos. So just go here and click mobile video. And then you would just go to uploads, upload that video, and drag and drop it onto the canvas. And I'm going to go ahead and turn the volume down just so it won't be distracting. But you do want to leave the music and everything in that video. But for the sake of the tutorial, I'm just going to turn the volume down. And now if we go to our cursor and we just drag it here at the beginning, we really don't need that. So I'm going to bring it here where it fades out. And then I'm going to go to the beginning and I'm going to drag that back to the cursor so we could trim that part out. And then I'm going to do the same thing at the end. It has this at the end and we really don't need that. So I'm going to trim that out also. grab that and pull it back. And now if I just scroll through the video, you see here at the beginning it has Joe Morales, first shock member, and this is basically week 1. So he's just going through the training and the program, and you see he can't actually dunk yet. And then if we go here to right around the middle, you see his verse shock, and this is week 7, and it shows his progress and it shows him actually stuffing it. So now he can actually dunk. So it's a really good video to use. So now what we can do is add a call to action. So I'm just going to drag my cursor right around here. And the reason I'm gonna drag it about here is because this is after he makes progress. So I'm gonna put it about right, let's say right here. And then I'm going to right click and split page. And I'm just going to move it down to about the middle of this clip. Let's say about right here, right click and split page. And then I'm gonna go to text. And you could select any font that you want, but I kind of like this one. And the smaller text we really don't need, so I'm just going to click on it and delete. And I'm also going to change the text color to white. And then we could just say something like, learn how to dunk like a pro. And I'm just going to highlight this and make it smaller, let's say around 70. Then I'm gonna highlight it again, and I'm gonna align it to the center. And maybe even put a little bit of a twist on it, drag it out a little bit. That looks good. Now drag it down to the bottom here, like right about there. And then I'm gonna go up here to effects, add a background. And let's say if we change our background to something like red. And I actually made a mistake. I got this on the 3rd scene. So what I'm gonna do is duplicate this, and I'm going to drag this and drop it over the 2nd scene. And then I'm going to go back to the 3rd scene. And here we could say, click the link in my bio. So now if I go down here and grab my cursor and just scrub through the video, again, this right here is week 1 and he's making progress, but he's not actually dunking. And here in week 7, when he's actually been using the program, now he's stuffing it. And that's where we come in with the call to action, learn how to dunk like a pro. And then the 3rd and final scene, click the link in my bio. And this is the same process that you would follow regardless of where you got the video from, whether it's Instagram, TikTok, or the affiliate landing page. So now we just want to go up here to share, download, and download it to our computer. And now it's downloading. And now that we've added our call to action to our video, it's time for step 4, which is to get our affiliate link, shorten it, and uploading our videos to either YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. I recommend starting off with TikTok because TikTok gets a lot of views really quickly. So you just want to go over to TikTok, create an account, and model off of channels that's already working. Here I got courtside.films pulled up. That's a pretty good name for a basketball channel. And they have a link in their bio that actually leads to their YouTube channel. This is where we're also going to put our link, but it's going to lead to our affiliate product. To get your affiliate link, you would just go back to ClickBank and just go here and click promote, and then you would just copy your affiliate link. And this is the link that we're going to promote. Now you just want to go to bit.ly.com to shorten that link because it looks kind of long and out of place. So you just want to create a free account and sign in. Then click create new link, and we're going to paste that link here and then create, and then you would just copy it. Now to paste that link here in your bio on TikTok, you do need 1,000 followers, but again, you do get a lot of views on TikTok really quickly. And to upload your videos, you would just go up here and click upload. You also want to look at these videos and open them up and see what type of hashtags that they're using and replicate what's working. And now all you have to do is rinse and repeat. So in just a few steps, you can make money with affiliate marketing. And now check out this video to discover how you can simply copy and paste YouTube Shorts and make money. Anyone can do this, and I'll show you how in this video right here, so check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to drop a like and subscribe with the notifications on so you don't miss out on any of the new content. As always, I'll see you in the next video.